Welcome to our latest Decor Ideas YouTube channel. Lovely viewers, welcome back where we bring you the best in interior design inspiration. Today we have something truly captivating to share with you. The mesmerizing world of Blob Mirror designs. These unique and artistic mirrors are taking the design world by storm, and we can't wait to show you the incredible possibilities they offer. So let's dive right in and explore the enchanting world of Blob Mirror designs. Blob mirrors, also known as organic or irregular shaped mirrors, are adapted from the traditional mirror designs. Unlike their rectangle or circular counterparts, blob mirrors come in abstract flowing shapes that add an artistic touch to any space. They offer a perfect blend of functionality and aesthetics, allowing you to reflect your personal style in a truly unique way. Now let's take a closer look at some stunning design ideas and applications for blob mirrors. These versatile pieces can be incorporated into various areas of your home, creating a captivating focal point that catches everyone's attention. Imagine having a blob mirrors as the centerpiece in your living room, hallway, or even as a statement piece in your bedroom. Then the possibilities are endless. One of the magical qualities of blob mirrors is their ability to enhance the ambience of a space. The irregular shapes and reflective surfaces creates an illusion of movement and depth, making the room feel larger and more dynamic. Additionally, the way they interact with light adds a beauty play of reflections, bouncing light around the room and creating a captivating atmosphere. Are you ready to get creative? Blob mirrors offer an exciting opportunity to mix and match different shapes, sizes, and finishes to create a truly personalized design. You can experiment with asymmetrical arrangements, combining mirrors of various sizes and orientations to create an eye-catching composition. The juxtaposition of different shapes and finishes adds visual interact and allows you to curate a space that reflects your unique style. If you are feeling crafty, why not try your hand at creating your own blob mirror? Dye projects with blob mirrors are a fantastic way to unleash your creativity and add a personal touch to your space. You can explore various materials like resin glass or even repurposed items to sculpt your own organic mirror design. It's a fun and rewarding project that will leave you with a one of a kind masterpiece. And there you have it, the captivating world of blob mirror designs. These artistic and unconventional mirrors are sure to make a statement in any room. Whether you choose to incorporate them a focal point, then please subscribe my YouTube channel for latest ideas and designs. Thank you.